Hello folks, we come to the part 6 video of this exercise 3.4, and for the first time we are going to take a 3 cross 3 matrix and we are going to see how to find the inverse of this matrix. So before we start doing this matrix, I will tell you the format as to how we are going to get the elements. We know that we do the steps and finally we get a I as we did in 2 cross 2. So there is a standard step that you have to follow, and that's how this matrix has to be converted into identity matrix. So how you have to do the elements is, first step you have to get, this is your first step to get a 1 over here. Okay, your second step is to get a 0 over here. Third step is to get a 0 over here. Fourth step is to get a 1 over here. Fifth step is to get a 0 over here. Sixth step is to get a 1 over here. Seventh step is to get a 0 over here. Eighth step is to get a 0 over here. Ninth step is to get a 0 over here. Tentative. Now depending on the problem, sometimes you have to change your steps, or sometimes certain other steps is much better than the other steps. But basically this is how you follow your steps and you're able to get your work fast. So this is how you do your you transform your matrix and get it into this form so that you get the inverse. So this is how we are also going to do our work. So let's proceed. I hope this is noted down by you, and we will be proceeding like before. Let's call this matrix as A. First we will call this matrix as A. Let A be this matrix. Like before, also let A be equal to IA. We are going for row operations. So it is 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we have always learned from before that the first entry has to be the greatest value. If it is not, we have to change. Here these are 2, 2 and 3, but 3 is the highest value. 3 has to come there. So first we will go for an interchange between R1 and R3. So what will happen? You will get 3 minus 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 as it is, 2 minus 3, 3. We have gone in for an interchange. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, A. This is how we have got it. Now we will start with our steps and we'll see which step is better. You have to get a 1 here. Either you could take this or you could take this. Which is better? If you take this, we will get a minus 2, minus 4, minus 1. And if you take this, it will be 1. Then you have minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. I think this should be better. So let's take R1 becoming R1 minus R2. So what will happen? This will become minus 2, minus 2, minus 3. And here it is minus 1. So let's check. What will happen here? 1, minus 4, minus 1. And 2, 2, 3, 2, minus 3, 3. Here it is 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, A. Okay, so this is achieved. Now we have to get a 0 here. To get a 0 here, it is 2 minus 2. How it is 2? From where you are getting the 2? You are getting it from here. So we are going to do R2 becoming R2 minus 2R1. So what we are going to do is into 2. So minus 2. Into 2. Minus 8. So plus 8. Minus 2. So plus 2. So this is plus 2. This is minus 2. Right? So let us see now how this is going to come. This will be 1 minus 4 minus 1, and 2 minus 2 is 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, 3 plus 2 is 5, this is already 2 minus 3, 3, and this is 0 minus 1, 1, and here it is 0, 3 minus 2, 1, 0, 0, 8. Alright, we were to get a 1 here, which we have not got it. Let's see. Either we can divide 10 right now, or maybe we can wait and we can see if some other transformations can be done. It's our wish. Either you do it now, or we can wait and see what we can do later. That's depending on our discussion. So let's go to this next and see if it will help us in some way, right? So let's go to this R3. R3 minus 2R1, same way, to get this as 0. So here it's going to be like it is again going to be minus 2, then plus 8, then plus 2, and then plus 2 and minus 2. So let's see what will happen. 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0, 10, 5, 0, 5, 5, and 0 minus 1, 1, 0, 3 minus 2, 1, 2 minus 2, 8. Now we see that here this 5s and 10s. We have to get it as maybe yeah, this has to be 1 of course, and okay, let's divide R2 and R3 by 5, and let's see first what will happen. R2 divided by 5 and R3 also divided by 5, right? So it is 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, and here 0 minus 1, 1, 0, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, right? Now we are getting things right, except for this has to be like it has to be 1. So either that we divide by 2 or we divide by I think it was better we would have divided it by 10. That was better, right? So we would have got this as 1. 5 divided by 10, this would be half. Then this would be 3 divided by 10. This would be 2 divided by 10. We'll not make it 1 by 5. Later we will see what we can. So maybe right away we have got, so we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 places over. Now this has to become 0, that you get it from here. R3 will become R3 minus R2. So this is minus 1, this is minus half. And this is minus 3 by 10 and this is plus 2 by 10. So let's see what will come here. 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0, 1, half, 0, 0, 1 minus half, half. Then here 0 minus 1, 1, 0, 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10 and 1 by 5. 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10 into 2 into 2. So 4 minus 3, 1 by 10. This is 1 by 10. And this is minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 10 into 2 into 2. So minus 4 plus 2 by 10. So it is minus 2 by 10. This is minus 2 by 10. Okay, let's proceed. What have we achieved? All this is over, this is over. Now this has to become 1. So if it has to become 1, you can multiply R3 by 2. Okay, you'll be able to get. So next step, let's multiply R3 by 2. So what will happen? This is okay. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So let's see what is coming here. We are getting 1, 0, sorry, 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0, 1, half, 0, 0, 1. Let's start. And here it is 0 minus 1, 1, then 0, 3 by 10. We can call this as minus 2 by 5. Sorry, minus 1 by 5. And this is 2 by 5. This is 1 by 5 because it is 2 by 10. Then this is 5. So minus 2 by 5. Right. Now next step is to get this as 0. To get this as 0, you could have R2 becoming R2 minus half times R3. So that minus half will make it 0. Right. Half times minus half times R3. So half means 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Half means 1 by 10. So minus 1 by 10. Half means 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So let's check. 1 minus 4 minus 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0 minus 1, 1. These are unchangeable ones. 2 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. These are not going to change. Only these are going to change. Minus 1 by 5. 3 by 10 minus 1 by 10. 2 by 10, which is 1 by 5. then minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, 0, right? So much is over. Then so far so good, I will think, because if there is a problem we can revert back quickly at this step. Then our thing is to remove this, so R1 is becoming R1 plus 4 times R2. If we get plus 4 here, this will be removed. So that will make this as 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This side is simpler. Now this side is going to work. It will be work. 4 times R2. So this is minus 4 by 5. Again, minus 4 by 5. That's all. So this is minus 4 by 5, minus 1, minus 4 by 5. Minus 9 by 5 and 1. Minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, a. Okay. So let's check. Now this has to become 0. So it is becoming, R1 will become R1 plus R3. If you do, it will become 0. So it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Yeah. So R1 plus R3. So it is plus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Wait a second. Yeah, I was otherwise also not happy with this. So there we go. Oh, it is plus 4. So it is minus 1 by 5. No wonder. Yeah, so that's how I find. Now it is okay. That's why every step, if you revert back, you don't have to handle it. Yeah, so therefore it is minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5. It is minus 2 by 5. Then minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, 0, 1 minus 2 by 5, it's 1 minus 2 by 5, so it's 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Then this is minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 times 0. So, clearly your A inverse is minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. That is your inverse. We'll check once again. Minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1, 1, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. That's it. So that is your A inverse. We have got 3 cross 3 matrices in this exercise. Each one we will take it as a video so that we can elaborately set it. So in the next video we are taking the next problem. Thank you.